Hi everybody, today I'm going to teach you how to make a simple purchase on my store. First, select the item you like to purchase. Wait for a while to load. Then it goes down to read the description. Yes, I like this product. Then you will see choose my color here. Then in the option, I will select the color that I want. It also shows how much inventory it left. Don't forget to click the gift wrapping options. Now we go to the shopping cart. If you have a coupon code, apply it now. Use gift voucher also. Next, we are going to check out now. We wait for a while for it to load. Yes, now we loaded. We begin keying our name, then the address, followed by the telephone number. Last but not least, the postal code. On the delivery method, we will choose pick up from the store or from the SingPost normal mail. The payment method, you can choose between several options also. And below the payment method, we will add some comments for me. You can choose your quantity, change quantity now. You will see your total, and you can enter the coupon and gift code here again. Upon clicking continue, you confirm your order. There will be a banking transfer instruction if you choose bank transfer. And finally, you can confirm your order.